Litter Robot 3 Unboxing, Setup, Apps Features. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Litter Robot 3, setting it up both physically and within the app, and demonstrating a complete cleaning cycle along with some key app features. While you watch, we'll address some frequently asked questions such as: can the litter box be controlled via the app? Is the litter box compatible with clumping and non-clumping litters? Does it have a night or sleep mode? Unboxing and setup. The Litter Robot 3 arrives fully assembled, no tools or assembly required. Carefully remove it from the box and take out all the packing materials like tape and foam. My unit came with a waste drawer liner already installed. Place the unit in a suitable location. Keep in mind that the Litter Robot 3 is quite large, almost 2.5 feet tall and over 2 feet wide, so you'll need enough space to accommodate it. Once it's in place, connect the power using the provided adapter. The power cable is not very long. If your power outlet is not near, you may want to have an extension cord handy. Next, download the Whisker app and follow the setup instructions. To initiate setup, press and hold the cycle and empty buttons for 3 seconds until the power indicator turns blue. Setup note: during my setup, I encountered error messages with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. If you run into this, try using Bluetooth first. I was able to bypass the errors by retrying a few times. Also, note that the Litter Robot 3's Wi-Fi only works with 2.4 GHz networks, which is a common limitation for smart home devices. The rest of the setup process is straightforward, so I won't cover it in detail here. How does it work? The Litter Robot 3 operates by rotating its globe to separate clumped litter from clean litter. Note: do not add litter higher than the max line, or else you may have great chance to waste your litter when it runs. As demonstrated in this video. This process relies on gravity and a mesh screen inside the globe. Because of this design, the Litter Robot 3 is only compatible with clumping litter. Non-clumping litter won't work properly. During a cycle that runs around 2 minutes, the globe rotates counterclockwise, allowing clean litter to sift through the mesh while trapping clumped litter. As it continues rotating, the clumped litter is dumped into the waste drawer below. The globe then rotates back, refilling itself with the clean litter, and goes slightly further back to level out the litter before returning to the ready position. As this unit is new to me, I'm still in the process of training my cat to use it. Therefore, I don't have any footage of my cat using the Litter Robot just yet. Stay tuned for that in future videos. The Whisker app offers several useful features. You can set up profiles for multiple pets, up to 4, according to my research, though I haven't tested this myself yet. Another handy feature is the sleep mode, which you can activate to prevent the Litter Robot from running at night or disturbing you while you're asleep. The app also provides a history graph showing usage statistics, helping you monitor your cat's bathroom habits. Plus, you'll receive notifications when the waste drawer is almost full or needs emptying. Conclusion: I hope this video helps answer any questions you may have and assists you in deciding whether the Litter Robot 3 is the right choice for you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.